Yes, children. So now we have small experiment. So without using your hands, we have to lift the paper. Without using your hands and should not touch the paper, you have to lift the paper. So now you should not touch like this. You should not touch it. But this can be lifted automatically. So it is not a magic, it is a science principle. Let us see. So you are observing that?
Yes.
This is the end of this paper is lifted from here to here. So now you see I am not touching with this card. So now you can understand that this paper is moving in the upward direction without touching anything. So how it is possible? So the reason is creating low pressure regions. So when I move with this card, so here the air is present. Entire room consists of air. So air is pushed by this card. So because of the pushing the air, here there is a region, low pressure region is created. So low pressure region, what happened? Nothing will be there. So where there is less air or no air, that is called low pressure region. So air property, what is the air property or wind property? So high pressure to low pressure there travels. So when there is no air or when there is no air present here, so there is a low pressure. So wind comes in all the direction and that tries to from bottom to top, they go in this direction. While it is moving, the paper will be lifted up. So that is why we can see the same experiment with simple paper. So you can lift the paper without touching. So what I am doing, when I am blowing here, the total area is moved or pushed by my air. So here low pressure region. So from all the directions, wind comes from bottom to top. So in the moving path of the wind or air, the paper is present. So that is why it is moving in the upward direction. So because of the low pressure only, the air is traveling from bottom to top. That is why in our homes also, when you switch on the fans, the calendars will lift up because the air or wind flow over the calendar. So then there is a low pressure region is created over the calendar papers. So that air comes from bottom to top. So that is why the papers will be lifted up. So this is a very simple experiment to understand how the wind flows and how the low pressure region can be created. So thank you. So tomorrow we will see another experiment.